Hey everyone, welcome to Exponential Growth and Decline Models, Part 1. So we just begun a new part of the course over here and opened up notebook number 5. And in this whole notebook, we're going to investigate a family of functions that could be used to model our data. So we're going to use this pretty simple function over here, a times b to the x, where a is your initial value, b is the growth rate, that's the most important part here, and then x is some unit of time. So this function can model both growth and decline, and it's dependent on what the value of b is. So whenever b is greater than 1, the function value will go up to grow to infinity, and if it's less than 1, it will decline to 0. So this is much easier to see whenever we plot it. So take a look at the code down here. We'll have some initial value. We'll just call it a equals 200. The time we'll set to an array from 0 to 19. Then we'll just make a simple growth of 10% each day here. So this will make b 1.1. Then we'll also graph a 20% decline each day, and we'll make b equal to 0.8. And we'll just plot this. You can see they both start at 200, and the exponential growth curve goes up to infinity. It'll keep going up forever, and exponential decline will just decline towards 0. So and this is the unit of time on the x-axis. So every day, it's moving up 10% for the growth rate, and from what the previous value was. And then over here, we're going down 20%. So you can even look at the values by printing out Y inc. You can see 10%, that's easy to calculate the first day. Another 10% is more than 20, right, for the next day, because we're doing it on the 220, not the 200. It's not a linear growth, it is an exponential growth. And then that 10% starts to accumulate more and more, and it will get faster and faster. It will move towards infinity. And then we can also look at the decline, and we can see same thing here. We're going down 20% each day, and it will pretty quickly go to 0. Okay, so that's all for this video, just explaining this little function of exponential growth and decline.